So, Shopify. The darling of e-commerce. The platform that promises you can open a store in an afternoon, pick a theme, upload some products, and be ready to sell worldwide before dinner. It's sleek. It's friendly. It's so good at marketing itself that people start thinking it can do everything. But here's the thing, Shopify is like that super talented friend who plays guitar, speaks 3 languages, can cook Michelin star pasta, but can't, for the life of them, change a car tire. In other words, it's brilliant, but it has gaps. And today, we're going to explore those gaps, the missing features, the limitations, the, oh, wait, Shopify doesn't do that, moments, from a developer's perspective. We'll see where store owners are frustrated, where developers can step in, and where the real money hides. 1. Logistics, shipping, tracking, returns. Shopify ships products, sure. But fine-tuning? That's where it trips. Need flat-rate shipping per item? Nope. Want automated returns with exchange handling, branded return portals, and fraud checks? Not unless you install an app. Examples: AfterShip, 100+ carrier integrations, from USPS to DHL, loop returns, self-service returns, exchanges, upsells during returns, parcel panel, real-time tracking. Developer complexity, high. You'll be integrating with dozens of carrier APIs, normalizing different tracking formats, handling webhook events from Shopify orders, and building dashboards for merchants. Reliability and uptime matter. If your tracking fails during Black Friday, merchants will roast you alive on the App Store. And honestly, the caps lock emails? They're the true KPI of whether your logistics app is doing its job. If your client inbox has fewer, "Where is my package?" subject lines, you've won. Extra scene, imagine a support chat. Customer, "Where's my package?" Merchant, "It's on the way." Customer, "I know. I've been watching it go from New York to New Jersey, and back to New York." Merchant, "Yeah, logistics magic." 2. Design freedom, drag-and-drop builders. Shopify's theme editor is, fine, if you're okay building with Lego bricks in 2 shapes and 2 colors. Want a Black Friday page with a giant countdown, animated banners, and maybe even a dancing llama in the corner? You're calling Pagefly, Shogun, Gem Pages, or Zipify Pages. Examples: Pagefly, over 100,000 installs, Shogun, Premium, $39 to $299 per month, Gem Pages, great for dropshippers with flashy pages. Developer complexity, high. You need to create a drag-and-drop UI that's smooth, generates clean liquid/HTML/CSS, works with all themes, and doesn't slow sites down. Bonus challenge: handle section schema updates without breaking merchant layouts. Merchants pay $20 to $100 per month for this freedom, even if their site loads slower. Looks first, performance later, until Google Page Speed sends a warning. 3. Product management, variants, bundles, customization. Shopify has a hard cap, 100 variants per product. Clothing, furniture, tech accessories. You hit it instantly. Bundling multiple SKUs into one kit? Still not native. Examples: infinite options, add text fields, drop-downs, bold product bundles, classic bundle logic, Zepto product personalizer, custom engravings, image uploads. Developer complexity, medium. Requires clever inventory syncing, hidden products for each variant, updates on each purchase, managing bundles so if one SKU runs out, the bundle can't be sold. More colors, more sizes, and that one customer who still asks if it comes in beige. You know the type, 40 vibrant shades, you proudly show, spring sunset, and they whisper, "Do you have beige?" At that point, you start imagining a Shopify admin button, politely redirect beige requests to Amazon. 4. SEO, structured data, automation. Shopify gives you meta titles and URLs. That's it. Need bulk editing, structured data for rich snippets, broken link scanning. Time for an app. Examples: plug-in SEO, site health reports, smart SEO, JSON LD automation, Avada SEO suite, bulk optimization. Developer complexity, medium. Fetch and update meta fields in bulk via API, build a crawler for link scans, integrate with Google Search Console. Bonus feature, AI-generated meta descriptions. Even simple bulk editing can save merchants hours. Imagine editing 500 products manually. No one has time for that. 5. Multi-language, going global. Shopify supports multiple languages, politely. No automatic translations, no complete coverage for app-generated text. Examples: Weglet, instant auto-translate via proxy, Langify, manual control, Langshop, mix of auto plus manual. Developer complexity, medium. Using Shopify's translation API is straightforward. The hard part, translating third-party app content dynamically, generating hreflang tags correctly, and avoiding free shipping, becoming. 6. Inventory management, forecasting, alerts. Shopify tracks stock but can't forecast demand, send low stock alerts, or auto-generate purchase orders. Examples: Inventory Planner, AI forecasts, Stocky, Shopify's own, but POS Pro only. Developer complexity, medium. Pull historical sales data, apply seasonality analysis, add machine learning for advanced predictions. The MVP, low stock email alerts, is easy, and you can grow into advanced forecasting. 7. ERP integration, accounting, resource planning. No deep ERP sync without Shopify Plus. And even then, it's often partial. Examples: QuickBooks Connector, sync orders to accounting, NetSuite Connector, Celigo, IPIAS solution. Developer complexity, high. Mapping data between two very different systems, handling SOAP or old REST APIs, syncing inventory, orders, invoices. Every merchant's ERP setup is special, your code must be flexible and bulletproof. 8. Image processing, optimization, AI tools. Shopify stores images, but won't batch compress, remove backgrounds, or watermark them. Examples: TinyImg, SEO-friendly compression, Crush.pix, image CDN plus optimization, Swap photo editor, inline editing. Developer complexity, low to medium. Use Sharp or ImageMagick for compression, integrate with remove.bg for background removal, and build batch processing with queues to avoid API rate limits. I mean, a picture's worth 1,000 words, unless it's a 5 megabyte JPEG, then it's worth 3 seconds of load time and a customer's patience. 9. Sales funnels and upsells, boosting AOV. Shopify now allows one post-purchase offer. Want multi-step funnels, dynamic upsells, or cart-based offers? You're in app territory. Examples: Honeycomb upsell, cart and post-purchase, reconvert, thank you page offers, Zipify OCU, full funnels. Developer complexity, medium. Checkout extensions make integration easier, but designing a high-converting rules system is tricky. It's not just code, it's behavioral psychology. By the way, if you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe. It tells the algorithm I'm not just talking to my coffee cup, and it makes sure you won't miss the next episode. Conclusion: where should you jump in as a developer? If you want mass adoption with low barrier, image optimization or SEO tools are quick to build, have wide demand, and low to medium complexity. If you want high revenue per client, ERP integration or logistics automation. Yes, complexity is high, but merchants pay $100 to $500 per month for stability. If you want a balanced bet, inventory management with forecasting. Medium complexity, clear RO, scalable from MVP, alerts, to advanced AI predictions. My pick for you, inventory management/forecasting. Why? Matches API integration skills. Universally needed, Every store tracks stock. Easy entry, start with low stock alerts, expand into AI demand predictions. Works for both small merchants and enterprise.